BMW ultimate driving machine, and we have a Braman BMW M2, and it's a beautiful light blue color, very unusual color. 2026 sporty car, coupe, 2 doors. Look at this color of the seats. It look really very sporty. This is a dashboard. It's similar to 330 actually, but it's a 2 model, and this is just a 2 doors, not 4 doors coupe. Very nice, beautiful tires. It's M version. M2, and their starting price is 62,000. Something new in this year. It's a new color, new trims for the rims, new look, and new car.